Looking to improve your electrical panel manufacturing process? It's about time. Time to get the components. Time to deal with quality issues before starting the electrical work. What if there were a way to spend less time on all of that? Introducing a new customization service from Schneider Electric, making your panel manufacturing process more agile. Spec out your needs here, and the work is carried out here. Cutouts are handled with machine precision. Colors are applied evenly with anti-rust protection and professional grade finishing. Once the details are sorted, pricing and lead time info quickly follow, and your order is soon on its way. And if your project involves more challenging customizations, no worries. A dedicated team of experts is ready to help ensure your enclosures are the perfect fit. Here's the best part. By outsourcing the grunt work, your cablers can spend up to 20% more time on what they do best. Highly reliable electrical panels, just in time. PanelSeT Customization Services by Schneider Electric.